We got Domino's pizza. We got pineapple, spinach, chicken and mushroom, jalapeno and bacon, and jalapeno and mushroom, bacon and onion. We decided to do all weird stuff this time. He's happy. And a coconut that I don't think he knows what to do with it. This runner I made for him. It's just raining. So our grass is getting watered. He was in the kennel, but then he's crying. So he's on the porch, it's nice and dry. And then his pillow that Liki took away, I don't know why, it's over there now. Yeah, Haku? You're not scared anymore because you're by the door? You're not scared anymore? Yeah. It's Hurricane Anna. Yeah, you're okay. Go eat your coconut. Eat your coconut. Eat your coconut. I don't think he likes the rain, but he can't come inside because Erizae's in the house. It's just clouds. Then my dad bought me a macaron kit, but I learned that the humidity has something to do with like the drying of it, so it's not really coming out. So he thinks that he bought it for no reason, but I'm gonna try later to make it again. I just think that they said that when it's humid it messes with, because you have to let it dry your macarons, but I can't let it dry because it's raining and it's taking forever, so I just cooked it anyway. I don't think it's gonna come out good though. This is what it looks like, and then I have to, it's not off-filled because I have to put on top of a pan. But anyways, yeah, and it's like, I guess it's not even cooked yet. I guess I'll cook it longer. I'm trying a different recipe and none of it is coming out how it should be. That one over there fell off. It's sliding. I guess I'm gonna try to cook it for longer. Ugh. It's totally the wrong time. Because when the power went off, we didn't fix it. We just did what it is. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Guess I'll wait for that to go off, so I did it wrong. We'll cook it an extra 5 minutes, see what that does for it. Then it came with this piping bag, which I thought was going to be so hard to clean, but it was so easy. Like, you just rinse it and it just cleaned like itself. And then it came with all of these pieces. In my stool softeners. I still take it. I don't want my doodle to be hard, but what is. And since it's been raining all today and yesterday, all Liki does is watch Netflix. He finished what is it called? The Tomorrow People? He watched the whole season of the Tomorrow People. That was really good, but it's over, so hopefully there's going to be a season 2. Now he's watching. Do you know what this is called? Something about like aliens taking them. I don't know. Kind of weird. It's like they're recording it themselves. Kind of like vlogging. And then it looks like, what is it? Is it dropping through the air? It looks like clouds. This is freaking creepy. Anyway, it's just a lazy, rainy Sunday. It's been raining all day. There's no sun at all. Ooh. It's so dark. Hi there, princess. Hi there, princess. So the funniest thing happened. We went to go feed the dogs. It's like it's 7:22. So we went to go feed the dogs, and then Bo was in the kennel, so he made doo-doo in it. And then so it was basically, it looked like all diarrhea in the kennel because it was getting all mushy since it's been raining all day and all yesterday. So I went to go shoot it down, and Liki's making Haku's food, and he told me. But then anyway, so then I was rinsing it off, and then when I was walking back, it's all muddy in the back. Then I was walking, and Haku's running around in the back because he's having fun. He loves rain, so he's playing in it. So then when I'm walking, he bangs into me. So then I trip, I slip in the mud, okay? And then, so the water hose, I shoot it down, and I didn't know it was right next to Liki, so it splashed up all over him. And Liki got all muddy because of me. And then I looked at him, and I'd expect him to get like so mad, but he started laughing. It was so funny. Like, we was hysteric. We was cracking up laughing. It was so funny, and I blamed it all on Haku. It was so funny. We both got so muddy and dirty. And then I went to go change Bo's water bowl. So then when I bent down to grab it, he came running to me, so he stopped, and all of that water just splashed all in my face. Okay, oh, so gross, but it was so funny. I think that was like recently me and Liki laughed so hard in our lives. Say hi, Erizae. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, she just woke up, that's why. My dad does that to her like she's a dog. But he says he does it because that's how he kisses her, and she's going to do it back to him soon. So grouchy. Oh, focus. Look at that double chin. Look at that double chin. Yeah. Yeah. They look like the cutest little socks. Yeah. Oh. Oh, so sad. She loves having her diaper changed. Every time she gets placed in here, she's quiet because she knows she's getting a clean diaper. I changed it already. You're so pretty. Yeah, look, her hair starting to curl. Can you see? Erizae. You can see it better on the, see the like little curls. Well, you can't tell by the camera. They're the size curly. My little chabalaba. Look, she got little rows in her legs. Ooh, making farts. See, look. Look, look. I'm trying to show you something. Look, see? Infant. Liki's dinner. Oh, the zoom is good on this. It's clear. He's taking it. Man. Dad hooked it up. Papa hooked dinner up. Here's my dinner, Simon. Green onion. I did some food at Emerson? Erizae.
Something or someone.
You're falling.
Someone who cancels the broadcast when something like this happens.
You're falling.
There has to be some kind of backup, like an emergency backup.
Something like this doesn't happen. 70 years, the code's never been breached.
Somebody has to be out there who can look.
Captain, there's nothing.
Erizae. 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 You see the camera?
If we do our job, we're out of here alive. I promise.
You can't see her, but good night, my precious angel. She went to sleep. I don't want to jinx it, but she went to sleep so good. She fell asleep on me. And Liki's over there. I'm just watching some Hallmark.
That's our guy.
So yeah, hopefully she has a good night's sleep.